Hey guys, I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install BONOSS Forge FD cooling wheel spacers on your car. Let's get it. Using all the stock bolts that fasten the wheel to the hub. Remember to place a jack stand under your vehicle. Finish removing all the lug bolts on the raised wheel. Spray brake cleaner on the wheel hub assembly and the rotor head and wipe it down with the emery coat. Wipe down the entire hub surface by a tool. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. Install the wheel spacer in place. Thanks for watching and have a great day!